Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to edit microphone permission for sites on OpenGX. To edit microphone permission for sites on OpenGX, first you have to open up the settings. You can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Alt and P, and then you scroll all the way down until you see site settings. Tap on it, or in this case click it. So you can see permissions here. Working on microphone, so click on microphone. So here, if you're managing microphone you're using, by choosing another one, if you have another one, you can decide to choose it, or you can go to the default behavior. Now site automatically follows this setting when you visit them. That's for default behavior. So you can decide to choose for site to be able to use your microphone by asking and then granting permission, or you can decide to not allow site to use your microphone by clicking on this. But the features that need a microphone won't work if you do that. Next, you can decide customize behavior, that is, choose a site that will follow a custom settings instead of the default settings here. So the ones that are not allowed to use your microphone, they'll be added here. The ones you've chosen before, not allowed to use your microphone, they'll be added here. And the ones allowed to use your microphone, they'll be shown here. Now, if you want to know how to allow sites to use your microphone, particular sites or app to use your microphone, check out our video on that. If you want to know how to not allow apps to use your microphone, check out our video on that. And this is for general behavior. This is the one that you set is like the default setting. If you want to customize behavior settings, we have videos on that. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.